Good morning students. Welcome to our computer class. Dear children, in our previous class we were discussing about sort options in Word. Our today's topic is drop cap, column formatting and text box. Let's start. At first we discuss about drop cap. Drop cap option is used to create a large dropped initial capital letter on the beginning of a paragraph. Drop cap option is available on the text group in the Insert tab. Let's learn how to create a drop cap letter in a paragraph. For that, step 1. Start Word and create a document. Step 2. Position the cursor to the left of letter T. Then step 3. Click on Insert tab. Step 4. Click Text Group. Step 5. Select Drop Cap option. Then step 6. Select Drop It option from the list. We can see the word creates the drop cap. Next one is column formatting. Column formatting allows us to split a text into 2 or more columns. Normally, it is used in magazines and newspapers to align the text. Column formatting available in Page Setup group in the Page Layout tab. To apply column formatting, follow the given steps. For that, open Word document and type 2 or more paragraphs. Then step 1. Select the text that we want to format in columns. Step 2. Click on the column button on the Page Setup group in the Page Layout tab. Now we can see a pop-up menu. From that menu, choose the number of columns that we want to split. Here we select the 2-column option. Now the selected text gets divided into 2 number of columns. Our next topic is text boxes in Word. Text box option allows us to insert pre-formatted text boxes in a document. We can position the text box anywhere in the document. Text boxes available in Text group in the Insert tab. To insert text box in a document, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open a document that we want to insert the text box. Then click on Insert tab. Select Text group. From the text group, we can select any type of text box. Here, we select a blank text box from the list. Now, the text box will be inserted. Here we can type text and can drag the text box anywhere in the document. Okay, my dear students, let's wind up. Thank you.